Good morning. It's our fourth day of our Skippers course, and I just thought I would check in with you to tell you how it's going. And so we've started with our chart work, which is very interesting. There's a lot of mathematics involved. It's basic math, but you do have to put your thinking cap on and concentrate. There's a lot of new concepts. You're working with degrees and minutes, which we're not used to doing in ordinary life. And so some of the subjects that we are covering with our chart work, the first thing we learned was the difference between true and magnetic north, and compass readings, and how to convert those backwards and forwards. And then we learned how to use our Portland chart plotter, which actually this little wheel actually works your variation out for you. And then we learn how to use it on the chart. So we're using the Portland plotter to determine the bearing of a line that's already drawn on the chart. The bearing being the degree of latitude and longitude. Then we've learned how to plot a position on the chart using handheld compass, and we've learned how to determine a course when there's a current pushing you off course, and we are going to also learn determining your course when you have leeway and current, which is wind and current. And then we've learnt about tidal range, how to work out the tidal range in a 6-hour period. So yeah, we've learnt quite a lot in a short space of time. It's been 3 days. We're into day 4 now. So, having to work out mathematical sums in front of an instructor, it has brought up some what you would call childhood issues. When I was 6 and in junior school, I really battled with maths. And of course you get labelled as stupid. Your teacher tells you you're stupid, your parents tell you you're stupid, and the other children laugh at you for being stupid. And this can really stay with you your whole life. And I found what happened with me was when I was 45 years old, I had to write an exam. We had done a nature guide course, Fagaza Nature Guide Level 1, and it was a 3-hour exam, and you had to get 75% to pass this exam. And when the results came back, I had got 90% for this exam. And that made me think for the first time, I mean, I was 45 years old when I realized that perhaps I'm not stupid after all. So, yeah, okay.
I think my wife is tired and she's allowing this to get her down.
Sorry I got a bit emotional there, but if my story can help somebody else, then it's all good. Anyway, this channel is never going to be about sipping a martini in a bikini on the Riviera. It's always going to just try and keep it real. So, bye for now.